Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to unlock the wild mustard greens celtuce taco recipe in Heartopia. So in this new event, Dreamlight cinematic event, you can cook any limited food. One of them wild mustard green celtuce taco. But first, you need to unlock the recipe, and to unlock it, you just need to go go to the popcorn serving cart that you already craft, and then just tap on it, and then just tap on the wild vegetable celtuce taco recipe, this one, and then just replace the wild vegetables ingredients, this one, to mustard greens, this one, just replace it all. And then you also need the romaine lettuce taco, and after all the ingredients are complete, just simply tap on start cooking. And okay, like this, you will see the animations like this that marks you successfully unlock the wild mustard greens celtuce taco recipe in Heartopia. You will notice this recipe already unlocked on the collections overview, this one. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.